This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2020-21 Panini Flux Basketball. 2-box eBay break. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got CHA-Cart with the Cavaliers and the Thunder. Lone 159 with the Celtics, Nets, Bulls, Mavericks, Nuggets, 76ers, the Hawks, Warriors, Bucks, and Pelicans. Packy 328 with the Suns and the Raptors. B Lemonhead with the Magic and the Jazz. Ofer Sports Cards, hopefully I said that right, with the Wizards and the Grizzlies. KAIWAI 87 with the Spurs. Cards for all with the Kings. Shields 30 with the Trailblazers. TREREC_4 with the Knicks. PATMENGE_0 with the Timberwolves. BJ9ZQ-45 with the Heat. ERROED36 with the Lakers. Ram_Ray_23 with the Rockets. WDVOGT73 with the Pistons. And MO Sports Cards 11 rocking the Hornets. That is your full lineup. Okay. We got our 2 boxes right here. 2020-21 Panini Flux Basketball. Here we go. Box number 1. Let's get the plastic off. Alright, so we'll go ahead and get our packs out of here. 10 packs in here. And also our encased card here. So 10 packs. And the encased card. We got an empty box. And we'll hit the packs first. Pack number 1, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Kind of run through the base cards fairly quickly here. Fultz, Shaq. We've got a rookie in Flux. Kara Lewis Jr. Josh Jackson. Tyrese Halliburton rookie there. Pack number 2. Tobias Harris, Derek White, another Tobias Harris, Jimmy Butler, and Dennis Smith Jr. Jacob Poltel, DeMar DeRozan. We got a Flow Motion Tyrese Halliburton there for the Kings. Mr. Tatum and Tyrese Maxey rookie. 76ers. Mikal Bridges, and we've got a rookie autograph Tyshawn Alexander for the Suns. Tyshawn Alexander, rookie autograph for the Suns. Beautiful hit there for the Suns. Nice Tyshawn Alexander, very nice. Darius Garland, Daniel House Jr., and a Miles Bridges there as well. Grant Hill, Keldon Johnson, Zach LaVine, fluid there for the Bulls. Anthony Davis, Trey Jones rookie. Dario Sar. Oh, we got a Troposphere Keldon Johnson for the Spurs. A Gilgeous Alexander there, and a Baca, and a Colin Sexton. Dante DiFenjo, Charles Barkley. We got a Maurice Harkless there for the Kings. Grayson Allen and a Malachi Flynn rookie there. DeAndre Ayton, Kevin Garnett. We got an Anthony Edwards incoming there for the T-Wolves. Monty Morris, Cam Reddish. Maurice Harkless, Mr. Adams. We've got a Dylan Brooks there. Blue there. A Eric Gordon and a Elijah Hughes rookie. Alright, last regular pack here. Then we got our uncirculated. Julius Randle, Royce O'Neal. We got a Marcus Smart. Orange there. Luka Doncic and Duncan Robinson. Alright, we got our uncirculated here. Coming at you. And we got a Malachi Flynn rookie for the Raptors. Very nice Malachi Flynn there. Uncirculated. Very nice Raptors. Alright, box number 1 down. We got box number 2 coming at you. Plastic coming up. Alright, we'll get our packs out of here. Should be 10 packs. Let's see, we got 6 there. 7, 8, 9. And there's 10. And our uncirculated right there. Empty box. Alright, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Box number 2. Pack number 1. Maybe. Alright. Mr. Charles Barkley, DeAndre Ayton, Patrick Williams incoming for the Bulls, Zach LaVine, and a Precious Achua. Mr. Conley, Chumo Kiki, a Bubacek, and a Dennis Schroeder. Is there a card hiding in there? There is. There it is. A Dwayne Bacon for the Magic Blue there. All right, we got a David Robinson, Cameron Johnson, Julius Randle for the Knicks, fluid there. Jalen Brunson, Isaac Okoro, rookie. Alright, we've got a Drew Holiday. We got a Troposphere Andrew Wiggins for the Warriors. Patrick Beverly, Jimmy Butler, Dennis Smith Jr. Kevin Garnett, and we've got a ultraviolet Gary Harris autograph for the Magic. Beauty. Very nice ultraviolet Gary Harris for the Magic autograph. The Magic, really nice Gary Harris. Beauty. Beautiful card there. Magic. Okay, let's see here. We had your Kevin Garnett, Derrick Rose, Corey Joseph, Marcus Smart. The Derrick Rose there was a prism. Harkless, Steven Adams. We got a incoming Jaden McDaniels for the Timberwolves. Malcolm Brogdon in a Udoka as a Buki rookie. Royce O'Neal, Markelle Fultz. We've got a Stephen Curry flow motion for the Warriors. Tim Hardaway Jr., a Giannis Antetokounmpo. Keldon Johnson, Julius Randle, a Sterling Brown. Red variation there, Prism. Alex Caruso, Nico Mannion rookie. All right, we got a couple packs left here. A Shaquille O'Neal, Dario Saric, a Paul George, blue prism there, a Stephen Curry, and a Michael Mulder rookie. All right, last pack, regular pack. Then we got our encased. We got a Dante DiVincenzo, DeMar DeRozan, PJ Tucker, James Harden, Miles Turner. All right, and our encased coming at you. We've got an Isaac Okoro rookie for the Cavaliers. Really nice Isaac Okoro for the Cavs. Beauty. The Cavs. Nice Isaac Okoro there. Beautiful encased rookie there. All right, so we had your Isaac Okoro. I'm going to run back through the main hits here, guys. We'll do your encased hits here first. We had your Okoro. And we also had your Malachi Flynn rookie for the Raptors. And we had a beautiful Gary Harris ultraviolet autograph for the Magic. Beautiful card. Beauty. And we also had a Tyshawn Alexander rookie autograph for the Suns. Beautiful Tyshawn Alexander for the Suns rookie autograph. Guys, I want to thank everybody so much for breaking. I really, really do appreciate it. Cardboardhobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay. We got a beautiful lineup scheduled all week long. Please don't miss out on those. I really want to thank everybody so much for your support, guys. I really, really do appreciate it. I'll be sticking around in case anybody has any questions, guys. Thank you so much again for your support. Please, be smart. Be safe out there.